guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going out, as you can see from my attire. So I just thought about making a review of one of my favorite eyeliners for a daily wear because this is cheap, affordable. This is a pen style eyeliner which is a yay for winged liners and which is not waterproof. On a daily basis I don't like wearing a waterproof mascara. I'm reviewing an eyeliner. I don't like wearing a waterproof eyeliner because it's not a pain to get it off when you want it off. But if you sweat, that's a bad news for you. And sweat is a daily thing for us in Kolkata where the humidity is always up here. Never down, it's always here. Be it a winter day, sunny day, cloudy day, or just any day. You always sweat. But nevertheless, I like this eyeliner a lot and just wanted to put this forward so that the girls out there who are on a budget, much like me, can afford this eyeliner for a daily basis. This is the Blue Heaven Sketch Eyeliner. This is a very staple eyeliner for me because after one of my friends introduced me to this. This has a felt tip pen. I hope you can see that. And this is very much pointed. This retails for somewhere around 185 to 196 rupees depending on where you are buying it from. This is jet black. I mean, just see. This is the first application and it is jet black. You can do it as thin as you want or as thick as you want. So now I'm going to show you how I apply it myself. See how precise and black it is. I just love this fact, and you can do it this way, which is very simple, or wing it up just like this. I am very much into these thick winged nowadays, straight wings, and see the difference. I love this eyeliner. It's like on the go. If you're outside and you just want to whoop, you're done. So yeah, one thing about this eyeliner is that it's not waterproof. That's why if you sweat, but if you want to take it off, it's like one swipe and you're done. After 4 to 5 hours, it does start to crumble up a bit. You can just touch it up because you can carry it in your bag, literally like a pen. Just don't forget that it's an eyeliner and start writing with it. But otherwise, you are yay. You can just touch it up any time you want and it would be very nice. So if you want to buy this Blue Heaven eyeliner, I guess you can get it in any local store. I got it from Metro Plaza in Kolkata, but if you're not in Kolkata, I guess you can get it from any local store, cosmetic store. This is the most affordable sketch pen eyeliner I have come across, and it does what it is supposed to do. It is jet black, it's felt tip point, so it's precise. You can do your wing liner with it, and I am very much satisfied with it. So I'll rate it 8.5 out of 10 because it does what it's supposed to do. It's sketch pen, you can draw your liner with it and you are done. It does crumble, so keep that in mind. If you are going for a night out, don't wear this. Wear a more waterproof version of an eyeliner. Don't wear this for a night out because you will always be just crumbles all over your face. You don't want that. It's not a pretty face. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, subscribe to my channel. do go and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a whole lot for me. And if you guys have any other affordable versions of this eyeliner which you want me to try, comment down below. And if you have tried this eyeliner for yourself, please do send me your experience. I would love to hear your experience, because I have seen eyeliners working differently for different people, because some have dry eyes, some have oily eyes, some have whatnot. So yeah, do let me know how was your experience with this eyeliner. And till next time, bye.